I will pick her out from the garden to be mine. Hi, good day guys, Chiffon again, and welcome to our channel. Shout out to all of my subscribers from the bottom of my heart. Thank you very much for the support that you are giving to our channel. And if this is your first time in our channel, please, after watching the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell so that you'll be updated or notified in my next uploading of our video. Today, I'll be making a chiffon cake. Chiffon cake is a very light cake made with oil instead of traditional solid fat like butter, and is easier to beat into the batter. As a result, you achieve a fluffy texture by having the whites beaten separately until stiff and then folded into the batter before baking. Chiffon combines methods used with sponge cakes and other conventional cakes. It has baking powder and oil, but the eggs are separated and the whites are beaten separately before being folded into the batter, creating a rich flavor like an oil cake, but with lighter texture that is more like a sponge cake. The high oil and egg content create a very moist cake, and as oil is liquid, even at cooler temperature, it does not tend to harden or dry out, as traditional butter cake might. Chiffon cake is also better suited to fillings or frosting that needs to be refrigerated or frozen, like pastry cream and ice cream. So, guys, let us now start. And the ingredients for our chiffon cake that is flavored with Buco and Pandan are 2 cups sifted cake flour, 1/2 cup sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/3 cup canola oil, 1 cup Buco water, and 1.5 cup chopped pandan leaves, and 8 pieces egg yolks, and for our meringue, 8 pieces medium egg whites, 1 cup sugar, and 1 teaspoon cream of tartar. Okay, first we will have to blend our Buco water and our pandan leaves. After about a minute of blending, okay, now we will strain this one. Our Buco water with pandan. Okay, now we'll start. First, our sifted flour, our sugar, our salt, our baking powder. Then we stir. Then our oil. And then our Buco water with pandan, and our egg yolks. Okay. So we have a natural color of green because of the pandan leaves, and of course our Buco water. Then we'll just set this aside and we will start work on our egg whites or meringue. Okay, now we'll start with our meringue. Our egg whites. Put a little sugar. Okay, fluffy and coating. After about a minute, a little bit sugar, 1 by 1, and our cream of tartar. And we'll add slowly. Okay, now it's ready. Okay, now we will hold this. Okay, so nice green color. Just have to lift it so that the trapped air would not escape from the mixture. We just have to pour it into our prepared mold, a 9-inch round cake mold. Then you just have to tap it a little bit to do away with some of the bubbles in the mix. And then we will bake it. Now, it's not there. Bake it. After about 35 minutes at moderate heat, we'll just have to take it out and let it cool completely. Okay guys, now we will start to make our Buco Pandan cake. Our Buco Pandan Chiffon Cake. It is a little bit green because of the natural color from the blended pandan. The buco, I made a sweetened buco. Sweeten it with a little bit heavy syrup. I cook it, then strain it, and then from the strained syrup, here I add a little bit of boiling water so that I can make light syrup. Now, to start, first we just have to wet this one with light syrup, and then you'll invert it on the other side, just like that. And then wet this again, this side. Next, we will put our buco filling. This is how I make my Buco Pandan cake. Okay. I am inspired by the black forest cake, wherein there is also a filling of blueberry or any berry. But here, to make it more on the Filipino side, I use buko. Okay. That's what. And then, we'll get this again. On the other side. And then now it is assembled. We'll just have to chill it while we prepare our frosting. Just have to press this a little bit, and then cover this, and then I'll chill this. We'll finish it later. We'll start. Our egg white is there in our mixing bowl. That is 4 small egg whites and 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar for our meringue. Okay, now we will beat it until it is fluffy and stiff. Okay, for our meringue. Okay. After about 5 minutes, okay, now our meringue is ready for our sugar syrup. We will add our syrup. For our sugar syrup, we need 300 grams of sugar and about 120 grams of water. Okay, now we'll just put it in the pot, and then we'll just have to boil it slowly for about 8 to 10 minutes. Yes, 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, or until the syrup drops slowly from the spoon. Okay, so that's it. We'll just have to continue beating for another 2 minutes. Okay. Icing is ready. Now the final frosting and decorating of our cake. Well guys, that is my version of my chiffon cake. I added flavor fitted to us Filipinos, the buco and then the pandan. As I have done before, I blended the pandan leaves with the buco water. And then instead of using just plain water to our chiffon, I used our buco water with pandan. By the way, for first-timers, now is the perfect time for you guys to click that red subscribes button, that thumbs up button, and the notification bell button. By clicking the notification bell, you will be notified every time I upload a new video. And also, should you think that this video is worth sharing to your friends, please kindly share. And I would really appreciate if you could leave an honest comment to our video. Thank you very much for visiting this channel and for your support. So guys, thank you for watching. See you next video. This is Chef Ben Casabon signing off. And God bless us all.